Sure.
Okay, here we have Mahendra PMP. They're just talking about how crazy they're getting hit in LinkedIn
Yeah.
after.
That's the magic of PMP, Sriram. It's a truly awesome feeling of passing this and getting this achievement. But I must give the credit to you, Sri Learning, and to Rahul. All of us, all of you have done a very good job, and thanks for believing in me. That's it.
Right. But you have to give thanks to PMI who is hosting this meeting.
Yeah, yeah. Special thanks to you.
Yeah, yeah. See,
Yeah.
I know it's not only the effort of institute, of course, we play some role
Mhm.
in training to many people. End of the day, it is something the person's passion to read, right? I
Right.
know the candidate told in another video, you can take the horse to the river, but
Mm.
the horse has to drink the water, right?
That's where the encouragement and the consistency both are required, and it was given by you. Consistency was by mine, but encouragement was by me.
That's good. That's good to know. Good to know. So, how was the journey and where you started? And I know last 10 days, I remember, Mahendra, do you like to, are you fine with the exam? Because you have a lot of pressure on the other side also, professional, personal. But you said, whatever happens, that day I'm taking exam. I was so much happy to see that courage to say that
Right.
whatever happened in the world, I'll take the exam. So you are so confident that you want to go for it. So I liked it. I appreciate that
Yeah.
willpower. And
Yeah.
that willpower has given you result, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Give
So
us.
right.
Yes.
Yeah. So I started in October, August 2009. I filled the application, and I was starting first self study, reading the books and all these things, doing some homework at home only. But somehow I was not confident because
Mm.
looking at the Pinbock book only, I was getting nervous. How could I do this? So later on, once I was searching on LinkedIn, so I got your reference, and
Wow.
I think in May 2020 batch I had enrolled for this Sri Learning Institute, and I can say it changed my life. And I also recommend to all others who are giving constantly calls are coming, how can I do it, how can I do it. I especially recommend in Sri Learning. That's the way you can do it.
Right. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Okay. So, which book you prefer as a good book to read?
uh, as we said, there were three books. First I started with Head First because I was not so much into the practical knowledge and all those things, but I had some background of project management, but not in the detailed one. So as you said in your lectures, go for the Head First and start solving the questions. So I did the same, and later on I went for Rita. And once I wrote the Pimbok, as you see in my LinkedIn post, I had detailed all the things which I had done.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, that's good that you picked up the book. See, I know whenever I start the classes, I used to tell that when you have a good depth of background in project management, directly
Yeah.
you can go to Pembok or Rita.
Right. Mhm.
When you're a starter, you may be a little highly bounced when you go to Pembok. So let's
Right.
start at first will help you. It's a good start.
Head
So
First was
how many hours
pardon?
you read?
As I told, it was the best period in the lockdown for me to give most of the time in reading.
Nice.
So at starting, I read about 7 to 8 hours per day, and weekends it was 10 to 12 hours and above. I got up at 5 o'clock, 5:30, and
Ah,
did some meditation, and then started uh,
okay.
the job.
So you will lock the door and nobody don't disturb me. Stay in the
Yeah, they suffered a lot because of me, my family, my wife and son, but they were back on my side, so they helped me a lot in this journey.
somewhere you're telling that your son is so excited about your
Yeah, he was so excited that on the day of my exam, I woke up at 3:30. My exam was at 5 a.m. So I woke up at 3:15 a.m. With me, my son also woke up, my wife woke up. They did some puja and all the things, all the rituals, and then I went as if I was going to a war room. But and nevertheless, the result was very good.
they were doing aarti and
Nothing like that. Just a rituals as the Ganesh show was going on. So we did some Aarti of Ganesha, and then I went to the,
See, we're making fun here, but actually, there are
yeah,
many people in the country and the world who are
yeah,
trying to clear the certificate.
yes,
Either they can't prepare one,
nice, right,
second, even they prepare to get clear. So
right.
it's not that an easy course. What you did is a big jump. Money is involved, right?
Of
50K.
course, that is also back of the mind that I have to clear it. I told you if this is not time, then I will not go for it straight away.
I remember the day you said, if I'm not doing today, that's it. I won't do it in life.
That's,
It's
but
a,
that was my self belief, and also I don't know that it was my sixth sense or not, but my hard work was there behind it, and
it,
it worked.
I know something happened at your professional life
Yeah,
outside.
yeah,
I remember the day when you called me, something happened, not good,
yeah.
right? You were in high pressure by the time. So
Hmm.
still it came out and did it. So it shows your determination.
Yeah, that was there, and also our study buddy groups was also there with me. So the I think Akshay, Surbhi madam, and all those things, we formed a very good group, and we help each other in all the difficult situation. Come on, we can do it. Two members were already passed. Third was mine, and other two will also clear it. Not a problem.
I think that's a good thing in this WhatsApp group. People help each other. Really good
Yeah,
one. So
yeah.
tell me, when you went to the exam hall or taking the exams,
Hmm.
how you felt with the questions? Was it a bigger one, moderate, small? As it
Mhm.
depends on the study, what it did?
It was mostly, I think, 70 to 75% were two-liners question, two and a half liners. So it was just, you have to just think, as you said, mark the important words or the point, and then go for the elimination technique.
Okay.
I did the elimination technique, and it worked very well. I did it in the prepcast also, and it was very useful in the final exam too.
How do you do elimination technique? Do you use a strikeout option?
Yeah, I did the strikeout option. So it
Okay, so
was very convenient.
put a line on that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Pretty interesting. Strikeout option helps you a lot. Did you use that color marking option also in PMI application? They have in a
No,
question you mark the line and
no,
then use.
I didn't.
Okay. So how was your timing? 89th question you have to take a break.
Yeah.
So time it took to complete the 18 questions for you.
I was very confident on the timing because while doing my prepcast, I was clearing it the 200 question within the remaining 25 minutes before only. But somewhere in prepcast, I was not getting the result which I was expecting. So I was calling you also and telling you that, sir, this is the problem. No ways, go ahead, you read the book again and give it. So, but in the last exam also, in the final exam, only 9 minutes were remaining when I pressed that golden button or the switch, alarm switch. That's it.
You didn't wait for the full time. You click the button.
9 minutes before only I did.
God,
No matter what happened, go for it.
so you realized no more waiting. Done.
Done. I flagged two, three questions. I again revisited it, and then I did the last.
Enough.
Enough is enough.
How was your heartbeat when you want to click the button?
Uh, I can still feel it. It was up and down, and when I cleared it, and all the screening and their review went on, and when I opened my door and go back, I literally was crying that I
Still
cleared
there.
it. I cried. I literally cried in front of my wife, and what happened? You passed or failed? They said, "No, I passed." Because my hard work was there, then they were beside me all the time. So they were also little bit
Then
good.
the emotional problem is when you cry, they don't know whether you're crying in happiness or you.
I treated that I passed, so so I am crying little bit. So, but that was an excitement feeling.
It's not
Right.
only you. I have, I don't know how many people. I've heard a lot of people. The
Hmm.
moment they complete it, they get emotional.
Right.
But again, there are people in the society who will tell that, okay, EMP is not the only big thing in the world. Yeah, I
Right.
agree. But when you are in a corporate life, when you cross your education system 20 years back, 15
Right.
years back, and with your family, all the stuff, you sit and read for 3 months, and you say that, yes, I was able to reach in a competitive examination. That joy is high. That's why you get the tears, right? That's
Yes.
I remember one
Actually.
person, you were so emotional, and then you started driving car back to home. You were saying that I'm on shouting while I'm driving. Yay!
No, that's the feeling because this achievement is very important in everybody's life. But the hard work behind it was, and the success you get, that proves it.
What does it want? Because I always feel that this is not the only exam. With me, I have a lot of certificates. But what happened is PMP gave me a push to tell that you are good, you can achieve it. So
Yeah.
going forward, what happened is it has become a habit to read and show more about our talent. What will happen, Mahendra? You will go in a company, you will start implementing what you learned,
Yes.
and you'll be confident enough to talk with any officials in the organization. You
Yeah.
will apply for next level of promotions. See, a kind of a self-confidence, right? You do one step, you get more idea. That's what it is.
Yeah, that's it. Because and also this will help me, as you said, in the professional life, in ahead in the in my career also. So
Good.
it's a good thing. And also with this also, before also in from March to May, I was talking in that period. I had done about 30 to 32 certifications from Udemy, from LinkedIn, and that was my phase of start of learning. After 20 years of keeping books aside, I started learning again from the March of March month, from lockdown period, and I will continue it further.
Fantastic. So now tell me, in exams, you said all the 2 to 3 lines of questions you're going to present. And was it a scenario questions or was it a direct questions?
Some were direct, but mostly 40 to 45% were scenario based.
In 2 lines, they give a situation, or 2 to 3 lines, they give a situation.
Yeah. They will.
Great. That's pretty good. Now, how was
Yeah.
the language standard? The English language, what you use there, was it what you read in the head first or Rita, or is it above than that level?
It was very much simple, I think so, because the questions Rahul shared every day, I think that was hard as per PMP last exam. I started solving Rahul's 10 questions per day from 25th, from your exam, I mean the series we started, but I completed about 1,000 of question. Exactly on 27th August, I completed 1,000 questions. So 100 question and answers were there with that.
Wow.
And that question level was high compared to
Ah.
my final exam. So it gave me a boost that, yeah, I can clear it now.
So in the middle of the exam, you realize you're going to clear the exam.
Yes, I,
Super confidence. That's great.
yeah, yeah.
Fantastic. Great. Thanks for sharing your knowledge about the books
Thank
and
you.
number of hours to read and
Yeah.
question. How does it look like? Right. Those are things. If you want to give tips to people who are just starting,
Mm.
so where to start? What will be your thought?
First, I will say, first PMBOK you have to read very much,
Right. Okay.
cover to cover. If you are not good in, you are not getting, then Head First is a good book. It's a very simple language, so you can go for it. And other things, glossary. You need
Lots.
to read the glossary 2 3 times, because sure shot there will be 5 to 10 questions, and I didn't get any calculation questions as a very hard calculation. It was simple and all that. Only 5 to 6 questions, and agile questions I got about 8 to 10. That was very good because our, as I said, our Akshay and you had explained us agile in a very simple manner. So it was a
Mhm.
very straightforward and easy for me to grasp it and take the answers. And one more thing, prepcast is very important. The 7 prepcast gave me a very much confidence and analyzing the wrong and the right one, as you said. Try and knowing the right one, you have to do it. And finally, consistency. The main underline that word consistency is and dedication.
I like it. I'm waiting for that word when you will tell that word.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because everybody will ask the question, what is that consistency? Shiram, I'm not getting it.
No, no,
That's right. If everybody knows that, then how do you categorize the people, right?
right,
So only consistency makes it happen, but in the
right.
right direction,
In the right
right?
direction.
The wrong direction is the danger.
Yeah.
Very good. Thanks a lot,
Yeah.
Mahendra. So it
Yeah.
was so good to listen to you.
Thank
I
you.
know. I think you cleared the 3 days, 4 days,
On Friday I cleared it. So 2 days back.
2 days.
I,
Okay, right.
yeah.
Hope after that you slept well, eat well.
On Friday I didn't sleep. 3 o'clock I woke up, and night 11 o'clock I slept. Phone was ringing and ringing. All WhatsApp messages and all this LinkedIn and all those things were going on.
See, before exam also you won't sleep. After exam also you won't sleep.
And once again, I will thank you, Rahul, and all your street learning team to give me the boost up energy and encouragement from all your side and believing in me. Thank you very much.
I know there's a team behind this who do a lot of stuff. I
Yes,
appreciate it. And I appreciate that you trusted it, right? See, in the LinkedIn, you see the post,
right.
and you need a trust to come back and join and listen to what we say. That's very important.
You
See
can
the
see
big,
the impact that I have only 2,200 connections in my LinkedIn, and the views of my post is 5,400. Double of
become the superstar overnight.
that's a I mean the magic of PNP, I can say.
Of course, there are a lot of things happening in the world. EMP is
Right,
one of it. But we know that this exam is pretty tough.
right.
And also they know that somebody who really knows the subject is going to clear it.
Mhm.
It is not a child's game, right? So it's really good stuff. So all the credit goes to your effort and the family behind you. Because
Right,
as you said, 12 hours inside the room, somebody has to support, right? If they're
right,
not happy, you can't move forward. So you have to
right.
give the credit to your family and
Just want one thing. Even though I was at home without any, I mean, or any personal, my professional life was the going. But
yeah.
10 to morning, 5 o'clock, I woke up, and up to 9 I studied. And again, I was going for lunch and dinner outside the room. Again, I have to come back and start reading. So my family supported a lot in this. You are home and going again in the study room. We are not thinking you are at home only.
It looked like a mansion. You go for food and come back.
Yeah, that was the
So give the credit to them and give the appreciation to them because
yeah,
it's a whole effort. But now the next stage is how do you utilize it?
right.
And the certification doesn't stop here. All these efforts, now you have to start using the job where you want, the effective communication, effective handling of people, timeline, budget.
Right.
How do you show that what you learned? Doesn't mean showcasing. There's a difference between showcasing and showing, right?
Applying the skills I have to see.
I'm going to show you results. It
Right.
may be personal life, it may be professional life. How do we do that? When you
Right.
do that, your value starts going high and you don't need to look back your salary. It happens automatically. Then you get a
Right.
self-accomplishment and do this stuff, right? That's the point.
Right.
Good.
Uh,
Be the top 2%. Happy to see you doing a success path, right? Keep
Thank you.
achieving more. We'll be
Thank
happy
you.
to
Thank you, Shiram. Bye
all
bye.
the best. All the best.
Bye.